So basically my sister and I started the Define Dish together. She had a fitness account and was a personal trainer, and I was always cooking and sharing recipes, and it was kind of at a time where my oldest was, I don't know, a year and a half old, and I kind of was just struggling with anxiety and needing something creative and a new outlet. And so blogging kind of became that for me, and it was more of just, again, a hobby, something we were having fun doing. My sister didn't have as much fun doing it, and so she was like, I don't want to do this anymore. And that was about 2 years into it, and I realized it gave me a lot of joy, and it was something I was passionate about. So I rebranded the blog, and this was probably 2016, and I put my heart and soul into it. And then after that, all good things happened. And so I feel like right whenever I rebranded, it was also the same time that stories came about, and I started to share. I felt more comfortable sharing about myself and my personal life through stories. It just felt a little bit more authentic to me than, like, I'm not as good at like taking a picture of myself and being like, hey, today I went and ate here. I don't know. It was just like just food. And so stories was a really good outlet for me to share my life. And from there, it's been fun to kind of share glimpses into lifestyle and things like that. But it's definitely more food focused. But stories is a really fun outlet for me to be able to share those things as well.